Good morning. I'm going to do a more mixed race makeup today. Use image quality for makeup primer today. This is really old and watery. Oh my god, my skin has been so dry lately. Rub the giant dry evenly with your hands. New liquid foundation. I want to choose the most genuine color number. Durable texture with little fluidity. Hit it off with your hands. Everyone's girlfriends above seem to be suitable. Oily skin mixed with oily skin. And in the winter, I was dry again. Look at this small. You can also wipe the earth, which is a brightening. Because of my chin, easy skincare may look shorter. So that's about it. Stay for a while. Start shooting where it is going to be light. Pat, 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 dizzy. Understand the reasons for failure. I'm going to punch you. Intolerant gentleman, of course you have to bring the wings of your nose. Wounded blush lipstick, and pick a lucky one. ZZ Ling hand. Open it, it's more gentle, temperament color. Super versatile here does not prevent me from continuing to use it later. That pink blush. Superimpose. Apply a layer of setting spray. I really like this sunroof spray. Let him spray. Makeup will have that feeling of starting to merge. Makeup becomes supple. This is also new tomato ribs. This color determines the place where the quality will be highlighted. Do you even press the skin a little bit? Fish head, fish head. The corner of the mouth brightens the eyes. And the setting makeup is like this first. This loose powder is too dry because of winter. With the overall outline or something, just top it a little bit. Moisturize small mouth. Because now the resistance cream has a little sheen. Looks are still trimmed. The trim color inside. The eyebrow peak can be slightly forward. Click like this to make your face narrow. Then frown a little bit lighter. Between the brows. Don't get too close. Press and drop that. Fluffy feeling. Then just start repairing it, or I closed it for you again. That's the description. The colors are so versatile. Make the outline of the nose a little deeper for him. Put on your makeup with eye cream first. From this location, the pen has come down to this position. This one is blank. Yes, if you want to let him smudge it, it's okay. He actually smudges very well. When I first drew that stroke directly, I'm afraid it will be heavy. Can't use it? Oh, that's fine. Because there is that sun here, it's too bright. White. And then the appetite is brightened here, and the appetite is brightened here. This day, in the appetite here. Current location. Aegyo saliva here. Outline grooming, we're done. You can't see anything when you put your hair down. The color can be peeled with a bottom. It's very simple. Just give him a foundation like this. Deepen a little bit, start with the end of the eye and spread it forward. Deepen. Then go deeper. The lower end of the eye is not needed. So just deepen the end of the eye. These eyelids. Wow, what a big pair. When is the miracle moment again and again? Hey, it's a little worse, but it's okay. Make me lose. Clip an eyelash. It's obvious every time you put on your eyelashes. Recoat mascara because of makeup. This is the lens required for the video. In fact, the painted lens, touch the black one and apply a little eyelash. Let's take care of the little details of the eye. I use that piece to fix the color. I use the head here. Give it. Deepen a little bit because the top is also. Then change it to a slightly larger one. Take a look at these two. The difference between swiping, it's actually the same brush but slightly larger. Follow along and explain this. Take it out vertically, then heavy. Click, and then slowly faint to the front and back. In front of the back. If you go further back here, it goes here. Connect to a bit ticked this position pair. Pat it open a little bit. Then take this and move it. No eggy saliva. Click on this bright lipstick. If there is a light sign, it must be on. Isn't that the little light bulb? I'll go. Bring it to the back of the nose. Face can also come a little. And just bring a little bit to the chest here. It smells so good. It's really a year. The deeper a little package. Stretch, retention, location. Let's use this to deepen the eye. In the corner of the eye. Deepen it a little, not too deep. The eyelash is also new. Try it, I'm still nervous. Because so far, I think this makeup is still good. I quickly shaved my eyelashes and ruined it. Not suitable for eyelashes that are too warped. If the eyelashes are too upturned, the distance between my eyebrows and eyes is relatively close. There's kind of a visual center all in this area. Mainly, it should not stop on 3 sides. I have already posted this. Think about life. Then, stick the lower eyelashes again. Nice looking, right? It looks good. Sure enough, I was scared to death when I posted one. And it turned out pretty good. God, I love this eyelash. Fix the shape of your eyeliner a little bit. Then fill in the color and deepen the eye mole a little bit. Spot mole. Spot mole. This is a kind that is a little orange. It feels like the sun has been shining, and he has a little flash inside, along your national feathers. Just draw it like this. The other one too. Some more below. Then use a small multi-wood brush. Dip a little, light up the tip of the pen. This position. Press a little sunburn feeling and cover it up. I saw your shining potato again. Mud high shine. Swing back on the mouth. Wipe off that lip liner with lipstick. The painting is very self-absorbed, and the mirror is blocked. Thinking about how to amaze you. How can I make you fall in love with me?